Hey lovely people, global greetings, it's me Joanna, how you doing? Now this video is actually all about how to wear a bum bag. Yep, I know that may sound a little bit of a benign question, but actually it's really important how you wear a bum bag. I see a lot of people wear their bum bags or their waist bags, whatever you like to call them, at the front of their bodies. And it is really helpful to have a bum bag because you can obviously have all your bits and pieces in it and you can have your water, which is really important to stay hydrated. However, you do not want to wear it at the front of the body like this, because when you wear it at the front of the body like this, it only encourages you to sink and become too relaxed in your abdominals, which means that you compromise your posture. This starts to come forward, the shoulder girdle, and we then start to use our hip flexors, creating this whole situation of using the wrong muscles in the wrong way, at the wrong time, the wrong sequence. And really what we're trying to do with WalkActive is to help our body use our muscle recruitment pattern in the most optimal way, so we use the right muscles in the right way, at the right time, in the right sequence. So please do not wear your bum bag at the front. What you can do is actually take it at the back and have it like this, so it sits neatly in the small of your back. And by doing that, you've then actually got your waist strap around here. Now what that will do, you want to have it sort of quite firm, and I would encourage that then to use this to your benefit and to help you with your hip lift, which reduce and give you the correct tracking from the foot into the knee and the hip, and actually put less strain going on the hips. You can think about being able to slide your fingertips between your belly and your belt, and this will then actually help you have the correct hip lift action, so you'll have an improvement in your posture, you'll actually get a subliminal abdominal workout, which is always a really good thing, and it also will help safeguard your back. So that's a really small, simple, effective tip that you can do rather than actually having your bum bag at the front of your body. So just think, can I slide my fingertips in here, help with the alignment, and you are all ready to rock. Now, if you really don't like the idea of having it in the smaller back, what you can do with your bum bag, and I would encourage you to think about having symmetry in your body and trying to keep your arms free as much as possible if you can, especially if you're going on a WalkActive training session. Now what you can do, and I quite like this sometimes, if I don't want to, I don't know, I feel a bit bulky around here, you can actually lengthen the strap and you put it over your head and you wear it diagonally, okay, like this. And again, you have it in the small of your back, so you're nice and open with the body. You can actually have your lovely WalkActive arms, and you have an even weight position in the small of the back. So that is your second way of actually wearing it, and it can be quite stylish as well if you're actually maybe walking and using your WalkActive as part of your commute to work, or maybe more casual, thinking about your posture pace. There's loads of different ways of how you can do it. But that is my top tip about how to wear a bum bag, not at the front, nice and neat in the posterior of your body. So take care, lovely people. Hope you found this comfortable and useful, and leave me a comment below. Take care. From me to you, global greetings. Bye bye.